This is a quick video to show how to set up an audio profile for use with Adobe Connect virtual rooms. After you log in to your Adobe Connect room, or into your Adobe Connect account, you'll start out on the home screen here. And you may be aware that you can set up audio for a particular meeting room so that it displays here. And if we edit information, we can select which conference line to use for that particular meeting room. You might be curious, well, how do we set this up? Well, that is done through your profile. Up here in the upper right-hand corner, we've got My Profile. Go to My Profile. And then we've got two things that are associated with audio. We've got My Audio Profiles and My Audio Providers. Providers are the actual service like AT&T or BT or other conference line audio providers. We've set up within ServiceNow the audio provider to be central so that we all have access to the same audio provider. We're all using the same audio provider. We just have our own conference lines that we use. So because the provider is already set up with the dial-in numbers, all we need to identify is the profile with the appropriate conference number. So if we select audio profiles to set up a new audio profile, we come in here and notice that the two that are displayed there are the two that we saw as options in the meeting. Click on New Profile. Now we select the provider. This sets up the appropriate dial-in numbers. We give the profile a name, Your Conference Line, and then you enter in whatever your access code is. The steps for actually logging into the audio conference line have all been defined within the provider information. So there's no need to enter in any pound or hash marks into the access code here. You can simply do that, simply enter in your access code. And this should be the participant code because you want to dial in yourself with your moderator code so that you can control things such as mute and other options available with the audio line. After you've added this, save. Now you've got your new conference line. Notice it lists the numbers there. And when you go to meetings, if you were to create a new meeting room or if you were to access an existing room, audio provider added, just for test to show you how this works. Include conference with meeting, select that, and choose your conference line, and there you have it. Now you have the ability for your Adobe Connect room to attach to your conference line so that you can have the Connect room dial in, and attendees who are only on the computer can participate verbally, and you can also record the audio that's associated with the broadcast.